Hi, I'm Vikas Kanade. I work for BladeLogic Portal as a senior QA engineer. In this video, we'll see how BMC Discovery distinguishes the assets yet to be scanned into the BladeLogic Portal, how to narrow down the blind spots for the security and the operational personnel who are more concerned with the overall integrity of the server environment. The agenda for this video is we will see what is an unscanned count, how to export and analyze the blind spots, and how to exclude the host from the discovery. We have seen in the previous video that Discovery tab is visible in the BladeLogic portal only when the user has the thread director permissions. Now in this portal we'll create the BMC Discovery connection. This is the host name, port, username and the password. We'll click on test connection and create discovery connection. The discovery connection has been created. We'll traverse to the operator dashboard from the thread director menu. Now we are seeing a new static under the assets here called unscanned. Statics are nothing but the statistics. We can say that mapped, unmapped, unscanned are the statics or statistics under the asset, and mapped or unmapped are the statics or statistics under vulnerabilities. When we enroll a discovery connection or when we create a new discovery connection in portal, the unscanned static is seen as well as the software instance filter into the operator dashboard. Now in this portal, as you can see, I have not imported a single scan file, and the count now it is showing as 27. Now what is this count? Basically this is the count of assets which are not scanned into the portal, but these are the assets which are present into the BMC Discovery. So we'll just traverse with the BMC Discovery. This is the Discovery server. I'll just log in into it. So in my BMC Discovery server, I am seeing that there are 27 hosts. So by default, when I integrate or enroll the BMC Discovery connection into the portal, portal tells me that these are the servers which are not scanned into the portal, and these are yet to be taken action into the portal. Now we can wonder that what are these hosts? So we can get the details of these hosts by exporting the CSV. We can just click on the export option available on the operator dashboard. Click on yes. Now it has imported a zip file which contains the two CSV files, out of which one is an unscanned assets. I'll just open it. This is an unscanned asset export.csv which contains the assets on the discovery. These are not the assets which are scanned onto the portal. Now from this we can see the details of these assets, the host name, their OSs, their OS platform, OS releases, the IP addresses of different NICs and the target keys of the assets. Now from this, based on the application being used in the discovery, we can club the assets which we want, and we can just scan them using the scanner supported by portal like Qualys, Nessus or Rapid7, and create a scan file out of it and import that scan file into the portal, and we'll see how the unscanned count changes when we import that scan file. So I have already imported a scan file which contains these 4 hosts along with one more host which is not part of the discovery, and we'll see how the unscanned count behaves. We'll traverse to operator dashboard. Now I can see that I have imported a scan file. Now I can see that unscanned count has become 23 from 27 because I have imported a scan file which contains only 4 assets from the discovery and one asset which doesn't exist on the discovery. So it has just reduced the count by 4. So I can just show you the assets page where the 8430, 31, 32 and 33 assets are there, but 8428 doesn't exist on the BMC Discovery side. So now if I export the CSV, I should not see those hosts which I have just imported into the portal. Now these are the hosts, and it doesn't contain those 4 hosts which we have just imported, and the count is 23. Now we'll see how we can exclude a specific host from the discovery. From the discovery, let's say I don't want a specific host or a range of some host to be taken part into the portal. So I can just mention the host name of that particular host into the exclusion. Here we can mention the host name, IP address, range of IP addresses, or the combination of all these. Currently the special characters like regular expressions are not supported. Now this is a host which is available onto the discovery. I'll just click on the update discovery connection, click on yes, and when I traverse to operator dashboard, now I can see that unscanned count has been reduced by 1, where it is not considering the host which we have named into the exclusion. So now it has become 22 from 23, and if we export this file, you won't be able to find the host name which we have just excluded. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on BladeLogic Portal. Thanks.